Dear viewers, we're going to show you now how to make tandoori broccoli. First of all, we got some salted boiling water. We're going to put our broccolis in now. We put all our broccolis. We're going to steam them for a few minutes only. They are steaming away. We're going to put some lid on top. I think the broccolis are ready. We're going to drain them in a colander. We're going to take them out. Now we're going to do the marination. We put some cumin, some coriander, chilli powder, garlic ginger paste, little yogurt. Here is my yogurt and bit of salt. That's going to be our marination. We add a little bit of garam masala, and now we're going to mix them well. We're going to add a bit of oil in it, and now we're going to put our broccolis inside. Broccolis. We're going to coat them well. We'll put them in the oven rack or grill, underneath the grill, whatever you want to do. You can put it in the oven or you can put it under the grill. I'm going to put under the grill now for a few minutes. Viewers, that's my beautiful tandoori broccoli. Wow, look delicious and yummy. You're gonna enjoy. Bon appetit.